long time. Me no try compete, that will cause bad mind. But
yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
me avoid them. Only for truth in a silence.
Me prefer to keep by myself than go live off a guy's strength. Yeah, man, I'm here viewers and subscribers from here. The voice, you know, it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment. You know, I'm here say the artist where I go review goes by the name Najhymn. You see me? He's a Afghani man, you see me? Big up yourself, say, do you know Shamiga? I say, oh, the song your title Silent, you see me? And a powerful words the artist are singing a song, you see it? And a whole heap of thing we are going in our world right now. Down to today day, yeah. Whole heap of your friend them you think I did your friend. Turn against you, see me? But the dog show you say real friends still they out there, you know, so you know, drop your hopes to make you say, yo, friend of pussy, still keep up on a guard same way if you know say you have some real friends out the same way. You see me? We automatically you turn family because you don't know say friend end with N, you see me? So every friend have a N same way. So I say I want to know guys run go by artist Vivo, you know. You see me? Najhymn music. You see me run through him catalog a song them when you have him put up, man. You see me? A fully Afghani, man. You see it? Yeah, man. You know say the artist are far from St. Mary's side though. You might put in the work, you know. And friend might put in the work, you know. You know, Soji TV Entertainment, I go give him a review. So me I say, oh, me I big up man like all T-Main record same way. You see it? Because they man the record, the artist and thing. You see me? We have big up man like Never Ramos said way. And the whole fully Afghani same way. You see me? Never Ramos. Big up yourself, you know. It's a bad artist said way, you know. Yeah, you know, say them man they can video you if you want make music video and them thing there. Boss a whole heap of thing, you have a record label same way. Dark Acre, you know. Work with whole heap of the artists. I mean I big up our next artist goes by the name Shamigo same way. Yeah man. You have some artists on the Vibes Hill said way, you know me now to talk, but you know we have some artists on the Vibes Hill we have put in their work like a Lionheart same way. You see me, you can go give them a support. I mean I say go over artists them Vivo and make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? Yeah man, so remember if you go over Najhymn music on YouTube, you see me? And listen to him song when drop couple minutes ago. Title Silence. Yes man.
Then go live off and no guy